Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new 2025 Cadillac DeVille DTS, a true statement of luxury, power, and sophistication. From its stunning exterior to its cutting-edge interior, and of course, the performance under the hood, we'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. At first glance, the front design of the 2025 DeVille DTS commands attention. The signature Cadillac grille is larger and more sculpted than ever, featuring a chrome-accented pattern that gives it a modern yet timeless look. The LED matrix headlights are sleek and seamlessly blend into the body, offering adaptive lighting for enhanced visibility. The front bumper has been redesigned with sharper lines and integrated air intakes, improving both aerodynamics and style. Moving to the side profile, the DeVille DTS exudes elegance with its smooth body lines and aerodynamic shape. The elongated silhouette reminds us of classic Cadillac luxury sedans but with a modern touch. Sitting on 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, this car balances sportiness and sophistication. The chrome window trim and flush door handles add to its premium appeal. Cadillac has focused on keeping this car sleek, reducing drag, and improving fuel efficiency while maintaining a bold, executive presence on the road. At the back, the 2025 DeVille DTS continues to impress. The LED taillights are vertically aligned, maintaining the signature Cadillac look, but with a futuristic twist. The subtle lip spoiler adds a touch of sportiness, while the quad exhaust tips emphasize the power hidden beneath the hood. Cadillac has kept the DeVille DTS badge proudly displayed, a nod to its prestigious history. Step inside, and you're greeted with unmatched luxury. The interior of the 2025 DeVille DTS is a blend of premium leather, real wood accents, and high-quality metal trims. The dashboard is dominated by a massive OLED curved display, combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless panel. The infotainment system is powered by Cadillac's latest UI, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google Assistant. The steering wheel is wrapped in fine leather with capacitive touch buttons, giving a futuristic yet comfortable feel. The seats are not just seats, they are ultra-luxurious massaging, ventilated, and heated comfort chairs, offering the perfect ride experience for long journeys. The ambient lighting system provides a customizable experience, allowing you to set the mood inside the cabin. In the rear cabin, passengers get an equally premium experience. The spacious legroom makes this a true executive sedan, while the individual climate control, rear infotainment screens, and premium sound system ensure every journey is as enjoyable as the driver's seat. Cadillac has focused on both comfort and technology, making sure rear passengers get a first-class experience. Under the hood, the 2025 DeVille DTS is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.2 V8, delivering an impressive 550 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless shifts and an effortless driving experience. The car offers adaptive suspension, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. Plus, with all-wheel drive and multiple drive modes, the DeVille DTS is built to handle any driving condition with confidence. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Cadillac DeVille DTS starts at around $75,000, while the fully loaded Platinum Edition can go up to $95,000, depending on customizations. With its premium features, high-end performance, and luxury appeal, this car positions itself as a strong competitor to Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Lexus LS. So, is the 2025 Cadillac DeVille DTS the perfect luxury sedan for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest cars. Thanks for watching Tire Talk, and we'll see you in the next one.